How to select all messages on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to select all messages on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then just select any chat you want here, like Spotify. And if you want to select all messages, just hold on any message you want here and then click more, and here we'll find it, select all messages, and that's it. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.